Hey everyone, Ted here from Logo Further, and today I want to talk about making sure your logo is versatile by not having it be color dependent. What does color dependent mean when it comes to a logo? Color dependent means that the logo relies on color as the only feature to differentiate different objects within the logo. Kind of a confusing example, I know, so I have an example here for you. So this logo up here, as you can see, color is the only thing that is differentiating this letter from what is behind it. Same with this one, and even same here. And then we have this design down here that has color, but it also has negative space between the objects that are separating each of these objects in the image. Now, this logo up here, because of its characteristics, is color dependent. This one is not. This does not need color differentiation to survive and still depict its imagery clearly. And a simple way to test this in your logo is to apply what's called the monocolor test. And that is simply done by turning everything within the logo the same exact color. Usually I just do black. And this is why I design in just a single color first, because it makes sure that you are not creating something that is color dependent. So I'm going to go ahead and make these the same color. And as you can see, this design up here essentially becomes nonsense. It's not depicting what it was over here anymore. Nobody can really tell what's even going on. This one, however, because it's not color dependent, it can survive in a single color, and it is still depicting the same exact imagery that you have over here, just obviously in a single color format. And then as we go over here onto a dark background and we make these white, still the same thing, not going to help us in any way. So this logo here survives in numerous applications. This one only survives in the color version. And this is very limiting to future uses of your logo because there are numerous uses such as embossing or engraving, sometimes ink stamps, sometimes letterhead, that only allow you to do monocolor designs or depict your logo in a single color. And so you will be barred from using your logo in those particular applications if your logo is color dependent. Now, this is definitely limiting in that sense, and you might be thinking, okay, well, I'm never going to need to have my logo represented in any other way than color. Why would I need to? I'll always be able to use color. Now, that might seem like the case at the start. However, when you go to make t-shirts, for example, for your company, something as simple as that, sometimes t-shirts, actually a lot of the time, t-shirts cost more depending on how many colors are going into the design. And so if your logo is color dependent, you have no choice but to use the color version and pay for more colors to go into those shirts. Whereas if you have a non-color dependent logo, then you can get away with creating those shirts with just the single color. Obviously, something like this would cost less than something like this when putting it on a t-shirt. So that would save you money, and it would also get you probably more shirts for the same amount. So making sure that you're not limiting yourself, backing yourself into a corner by having a logo that is color dependent is very important for long-term applications. Also, generally speaking, this design up here is harder to view and differentiate these features, especially for anybody who has visual challenges in terms of differentiating pigment. This logo is much less accessible, whereas this one down here, even if somebody can't tell the difference between some of these colors, they can still see the imagery because it is retained even in a single color version of that same exact logo. So I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, consider giving the video a like and also subscribing. I come out with weekly tips on how to make sure that your logo is effective and functional as possible. And also consider sharing it with any business owners or entrepreneurs that you might know because they might get something out of it as well. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you next time.